you guys, so during this quarantine time I have nothing but time on my hands, so I did a tutorial on how to soak off acrylic nails. I just did a Hello Kitty set, so I'm ready to put them on and you guys can see a little quick tutorial about it. I hope you enjoy. Hey you guys, I hope you enjoyed my quick little tutorial on how to apply press-ons. With your kit, you do get a nail tab that I applied onto my pinky. As you can see, it's strong. So in the kit as well, you'll have nail glue. Now, I did not use this nail glue for my set because I have my specialty glue that I use on a regular basis. My specialty glue is my Fast Bond. This is what I use to, well, all my clients know, but this is what I use to apply my crystals on, so I just decided to use them for my press-ons. As you can see, I'm girly again, so I hope you enjoyed.